Hello students, welcome to English class. This is Shalu and today we are going to read how to write articles. So let's embark on. So firstly we have to go through the definition. What is the definition of article? What is article? Let's know. Articles are written to give views or convey some information on a variety of themes, an event, person, action, place, opinion, etc. in a long and sustained piece of writing. Okay, so firstly I would like to clear all of you that article should be like a conversation with the reader. Okay, whenever you're writing an article, a reader should feel that it's a conversation between the reader and the writer. Okay, and it's all about the portrayal of thoughts of the writer. It needs good research skill that shows, that portrays that you have proper knowledge about the subject, and it should have creativity, good vocab, means you have to use better words in your article writing. You should have good knowledge about the subject. You should have good skill to organize your ideas. Okay, it should not be in a hustle bustle situation. Okay, it should be organized. And what should be the purpose? Okay, as I have told you the definition, I have elaborated the definition. So let's know what is the purpose of the article writing. It just focuses on themes like social concern, and you can even narrate an event, you can give description of a place, you can explain any simple idea, etc. Okay, so let's move towards the content of an article. What should be the content? So first one is given as eye-catching title. Whatever title you're writing, that should be eye-catching and very sharp. Okay, and second one is style. What should be the style? The style of article writing should be very accurate and effective, that can be followed by anyone. And next one is originality. Okay, whenever we have originality in anything, we can accept that thing to the soul. Okay, and what is originality of the article? If our ideas are genuine, if we are talking about genuine datas, if our ideas have logic, that are rational. Okay, we are not beating about the bush, and we are not making castles. Okay, like we have to be very rational, we have to be very logic while giving our ideas to the reader. So this is the thing what I was talking about, the originality and logical development of ideas. Okay, so now let's move towards the format. What should be the format? It's very important, and these were the point what I have told you earlier, that you have to keep it in your mind. But format is the very important thing that you have to also keep in mind while writing an article. So first we have to go through the heading. How should be the heading? I have already told you that it should be the eye catching, and after writing heading you have to write the byline just below the heading. Okay, in the center. So what is byline? Byline is the name of the writer. Whomsoever is writing that article, you have to write the name of that writer. Okay, and if we talk about the introduction, okay, after heading we have to go through the introduction. So what is the introduction? You have to introduce the topic. So how will you make that interesting? You have to start with a slogan. Okay, that should be related to that topic. You have to write any question. You have to state any statement, so that will make effective to your introduction. And after that you have to tell what are you talking about in this topic. That is the introduction. Okay, and the first paragraph should introduce the subject. Whenever you writing your first paragraph, that should have the introduction of the subject. Whatever subject is there, you have to give the introduction, proper definition of that subject. Okay, and it should arouse interest also among the readers. And after that, third point is you have to develop the cause effect relationship. What is the cause effect relationship? You have to use examples, you have to give presentations, you have to be very logical while giving cause effect relationship. Okay, now next we have to talk about comparison and contrast. What is comparison and contrast? That's very easy. While giving comparison and contrast, you have to keep in mind that so in cause effect relationship, what do you have to do? You have to tell why your ideas are better than others. Whatever views you are giving, why you are better. Okay, So you have to give evidences. Okay, you have to elaborate your evidences, whatever evidences you are giving to the reader. Okay, so this is the comparison and contrast. Okay, both has the same meaning. And last we have conclusion. What is conclusion? That's last but not least. Okay, you have to conclude your topic with your strongest point. You have to just keep your strongest point safe until you reach the conclusion. Okay, you have to conclude with your strongest point. I am repeating this. And give readers something to think about, either by asking another question or by asking to act upon. Okay, you have to encourage them, you have to compel to think, you have to compel them to act upon, you have to make your article writing very interesting, that they should feel connected with your article. Okay, and lastly I am going to tell you some points that you have to keep in your mind. What is that? You can give subheadings. Okay, means before starting your article you will give heading, and after introduction you can give subheadings to each paragraph. Okay, which helps to bring clarity to the paragraph. Means before reading that paragraph the reader can understand that what is it all about. Okay, so that is very important thing that I have already been telling to my students. Next thing is you have to present a very strong argument for your ideas. Okay, whatever ideas is there you have to present very strong argument. You have to support it with the evidences. I have already told you in previous sentences that you have to support your evidences. You have to give elaboration, you have to give logics, you have to be rational with your evidences. Okay, you have to give originality. Only then the reader or viewers can understand that, they can feel connected. You have to make them feel connected with your article, you have to make it very interesting. Okay, and try to introduce a new point at the beginning of each paragraph. Okay, that will also strengthen your ideas. Okay, is that clear, students? Okay, thank you so much for giving me your precious time. Thank you very much.